guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, it's Des Rose. Thank you for... Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel.
Oh my god.
What's up guys, it's Des Rose and welcome back to my channel. Before we start this video, you're more than likely going to be hearing my dog snore throughout the entire thing. Before I start this video out, I just want to let you guys know that me and a very dear friend of mine, Cody J, I will put his Twitter and Instagram right here. He is an awesome friend. Me and him collaborated and basically came up with Des Rose x Cody J apparel. So if you want to check that out, I'll have that down in the description and you guys can check it out, give us ideas, whatever you want. Basically in today's video, we are going to be doing a Nickelodeon slime mask. What the crap? It's a hydrating face mask. It's for ages 3 and up, so I'm probably like 60 to 70% positive there's not that many chemicals or ingredients that actually benefit your skin because it's for ages 3 and up. So I don't really think this is going to benefit anything, but it says that it's hydrating. Apply generous layer to clean dry skin, massaging in circular motions. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove with warm water to I hate like when I see products with spelling errors or something that doesn't make sense because then I get scared to use it. So it says remove with warm water to remove and pat dry. That makes no sense, but okay. Enjoy your hydrated, refreshed skin. I'm gonna feel like I'm on the Kids' Choice Awards. Okay, so we're opening this and it says massage into your skin. So I guess I'm not going to use my applicator, face mask applicator for today. Let's do a smell test.
Smells like Malibu rum.
Alright, so it's like super green. Oh god. Okay, before I put this on, I'm gonna put a headband on. You know what, I'm gonna use the face mask applicator and then I'll just like rub it in when it's on. It's super runny. Ew. Okay. This is actually fascinating because it's so bright. I'm not sure if this is supposed to like dry or anything. It's not specific with that. Or peel. But I doubt it because it's actually for ages 3 and up, so I'd say this is for kids. There's really no ingredients in it, and yeah. It says to rub it in circular motion, so I guess we could try that. The only thing I have up here is makeup remover wipes. I don't know what to do. Oh shit. No. Oh shit. I just wiped my hands off and they're fucking green. Like stained. Don't recommend for kids. It's been about 5 minutes and it's getting a little sticky, I'd say, which this face mask would take forever to fully dry. We just gotta hope and pray that my skin isn't green because my hand is. I'm not happy. My time's not up yet for this mask, but I just want to say at first my face mask felt really tingly, and right now it literally feels like I'm shooting water straight into my pores, and it's feeling super hydrating. Like, it feels like my skin is dripping like in hydration, and I'm just super surprised because this literally was $1, and I'm pretty sure it's a kid's mask, so we'll see when I take it off if I have any redness or irritation, and if I'm green. Anyway, I just wanted to like mention before like I start talking about it at the end that it does feel really hydrating, and I'm super surprised about it. So I'll see you guys in like 10 minutes. I'm pretty sure this is a peel off mask, and you can see it's like pulling my eyes down because I have it close to my eye. So I'm gonna peel it and we'll talk about it after. My face is green and it's stuck in my eyebrows, so I'm gonna have to wash that out. But yeah, my face is green, you can kind of see it. I'm going to go wash my face, and then as I'm finishing my skincare, I'll talk about it, how I feel about it, and after I washed my face, if my face is still green or it's just tinted, because it's not like fully rinsed. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I just washed my face, and like I was saying earlier, it does feel hydrated in the pores, and especially in like the T-zone. My skin feels a little dry, and I'm just gonna go in with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. I did wash my face after because it was tinted green. My hands are still a little green, you can't really tell in here, and when I was outside it was really bad because I had to walk my dog. And so yeah, I had to scrub my face twice for like 5 minutes each time to get the green to go away. So that was cool. This was a cool face mask to try. It was messy and it was a pain in the butt to remove and to get the staining out, but other than that, I feel like it did benefit my skin slightly. So yeah, that's my thoughts on the face mask. So if you want, you guys can try it out and turn green, or you know, just don't or do. So that's my review. Thank you guys for watching. You can subscribe to my channel, that'd be cool. Like this video, that'd be cool. If you guys have any recommendations of what products you'd like me to review, let me know down below in the comments, or you can DM me on Twitter or Instagram. My Twitter and Instagram handles are both at DesRoseMakeup. So like I said, just let me know, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one.